Hello, dear English learner, and a warm welcome to English Practice Beginners. Today you are joining a calm, slow and simple English session made specially for real people who want to improve their English through real-life daily tasks. In this gentle lesson, I will speak slowly and clearly, exactly the way your ears need and your mind prefers. This slow listening method helps you understand English naturally, without fear, without pressure, and without confusion. Every sentence in today's session is meaningful, useful, and connected to everyday life. Whether you are sitting at home, walking outside, resting in your room, or studying quietly, this is your safe learning space. This is where your English grows. Line by line, moment by moment, with peace and confidence. Daily life is full of small tasks. We clean, we cook, we organize, we plan, we rest, we speak with others, and we take care of ourselves. These small activities may look very simple, but they contain powerful English. When you learn the language of daily tasks, you learn the language that native speakers use every single day. You learn real English, soft, natural, and alive. That is why today's session focuses on simple daily tasks English. I will describe each task slowly. You will listen calmly. You can also shadow the lines if you want. Shadowing means listening and repeating softly after me. It builds confidence, rhythm, and natural pronunciation. Let us begin with the start of your day. Imagine you are waking up. The morning is quiet. Your mind is still soft. Your day is opening slowly. Listen to this gentle line. I am waking up slowly today. This is natural English that real people use. Say it softly. Feel the comfort. Another line. I want to begin my day calmly. This is a beautiful sentence for your morning. It expresses peace. It expresses intention. Repeat it slowly. Do not rush. These simple lines make your English feel natural and relaxed. Now you sit up in your bed. You stretch a little. You breathe. Now the first task begins. The first morning task is getting ready. Listen carefully. I am getting out of bed. I want to wash my face. I am going to brush my teeth now. These are basic sentences, but they are important because they are used in real daily life. You can speak them every morning. They help you practice and also describe your routine naturally. Next, let us move to kitchen English. Imagine you are walking to the kitchen. The home is still peaceful. You are preparing yourself for the day. Listen, I am going to the kitchen. I want to make something warm to drink. Maybe I will drink tea today. Maybe I prefer coffee this morning. These lines are simple, but they are used everywhere, in homes, offices, cafes, and daily conversations. Say them gently. Let the rhythm guide you. Now imagine you are preparing breakfast. These lines will help you. I am making my breakfast now. I want to eat something light. I am not in a hurry today. I want my morning to stay slow. This slow speaking method helps your mind understand English like a friend, not like a school lesson. You are not memorizing, you are experiencing. Now let us practice home tasks English. Everyone performs small tasks at home. Cleaning, arranging, organizing, checking, and preparing. Listen carefully. I want to tidy up my room. I am picking things from the floor. I want to put everything in the right place. These are real-life sentences that help you express daily tasks clearly and confidently. Next line, I am cleaning my table. I want my space to look neat. I feel better when my room is clean. These sentences are extremely common in daily conversation. People use them at home, in offices, and in shared spaces. Start using them slowly and naturally. Now imagine you are planning your day. Planning is an important daily task. Listen, I have a few things to do today. I want to complete my tasks one by one. I do not want to rush through my day. I want my day to feel organized. These lines are simple but powerful. They help you express your intentions clearly. Now let us move to laundry English, another daily task. Listen carefully. I am doing my laundry today. I want to wash my clothes. I am folding clean clothes now. I want to keep everything organized. These lines help you speak about real tasks with natural English. Now we move to cooking English. People around the world cook every day. Listen, I am preparing lunch. I want to cook something simple. I am cutting vegetables. I am heating the pan. I want my food to taste good. These sentences are realistic and practical. They help you sound natural even if your English is very basic. Now imagine you are cleaning the kitchen after cooking. Listen, I am washing the dishes. I want to clean the counter. I am putting the plates back in their place. These are everyday actions, so they have everyday English. Keep repeating them slowly. Now let us move to communication English. Things you say when talking to people around you. These lines are common in families, homes, and workplaces. Do you need help with something? I can do this task if you want. Let me finish this quickly. I will take care of it. These lines show responsibility, politeness, and clarity. Now imagine you are stepping outside for a moment. Listen. I am going out for a while. I need some fresh air. I will be back soon. These lines are used by real people every day. They help you sound confident and natural. Now let us practice shopping-related daily task English. Listen carefully. I am going to the shop. I need to buy a few things. I want to check the price. Thank you, that was helpful. These lines are perfect for daily communication. Now imagine you return home. You are tired. You want a break. Listen. I want to rest for a few minutes. I am feeling a little tired. I need to sit down softly. These lines help you express your physical state naturally. Now let us practice evening tasks English. When the day ends, there are small tasks before resting. Listen. I am finishing my work for the day. I want to relax now. The day is getting quiet. I want to slow down. These lines create a soft evening rhythm. Now imagine preparing for the night. Listen carefully. I am preparing for bed. I want a peaceful night. I am thinking about my day. I want to sleep calmly. These lines help you feel grounded and calm. Finally, we close the session with gratitude English, the gentle ending. Listen. Thank you for learning with English Practice Beginners today. You are improving every day. Your English grows when you stay consistent. Come back tomorrow for another calm learning session.